Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how I got rid of the leaf miners killing my tomato, well, not really killing, but infecting my tomato plants. So if you see, let me sit down here, these little squiggly lines here on your tomato leaves, or any leaf for that matter, it's a classic sign, and there's some more over there. It's a classic sign of leaf miner infestation. And sometimes they go accompanied with little white flies, which are gone. Oh, yeah, just saw one fly there. There's a little one. Okay, here is one. I might actually be able to show you one here. See that tiny little white dot? Watch. Watch this. See how it jumped? Well, they're the ones putting their larvae on my plants. And then the larvae live in between the leaves. We move that aside. In between the leaves, and then they cause these squiggly lines. So how I got rid of, well, most of them right now, actually it was infested yesterday, is by using organic tobacco. So what I did is I grabbed some tobacco, and I let it sit overnight and seep and make a tea out of it. Then I put it in a jar like this, and I sprayed my plants with that. And that got rid of most of them. Now, preferably, you would use something like neem. Here's another one. Let's see if I can find, no. Yeah, there's a tiny one there, right there. I don't know if you can see this on the screen, but watch this. No, that one's dead. That one's dead. Because I sprayed it early in the morning. Now, what you got to remember when you're spraying with tobacco tea like that, don't make it too strong because it might cause leaf damage. And never spray it during the heat of the day. Spray it in the early morning or late in the afternoon after the sun has gone down to prevent leaf damage. And very soon you'd be rid of these little pests. Okay, you'll want to strain the tea and make sure you don't get any of the tobacco in the water in your tea, and there is some in there. Otherwise, it's going to clog your sprayer, of course. Let's do this, open it up. Okay, pour just a tiny bit in. And be careful, don't make this too strong, otherwise you're going to cause leaf damage. Okay. And just lightly spray your plant like that to get rid of the flies, the adults, right? As for the the infected leaves themselves, you want to cut them all off. You want to cut them all away. You don't need. Let's grab this, and we're gonna remove all the infected leaves like that. You don't want to leave them in your bucket or your grow box. I'm trying to be really careful here because I got one hand holding the camera. Cut these off. And we're looking pretty good right now. So yeah, that's it. Now in the description below, this video, I've got a full pest control plan. Just check in the description and you can download that. Hey, thanks for watching. Cheers.